I request you all to join your hands and close your eyes and ready for the prayer. Let us offer our prayer to Laddu Gopal and thank him for showering and blessing on our family. Shri Krishna Govind Hare Murare He Nath Narayan Vasudeva. Very good morning to one and all present here. The thought of the day is it is better to perform one's own duties imperfectly than to master the duties of another by fulfilling the obligation he is born. A person never comes to grief. Thank you.
गोकुल की रात चली करके श्रृंगार वे, जमुना के तट पे करे कृष्णा इंतजार रे।
घुंघटा उठा के मिला ले तू अखियां, कहने दे कहती है जो तेरी सखियां। अरे घुंघटा उठा के मिला ले तू अखियां, कहने दे कहती है जो तेरी सखियां। ये प्रीत है पुरानी, मैं राजा और तू रानी, हाँ तेरे मेरे जन्मों के वादे। राधे 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 ओ राधे राधे राधे, तेरे बिना कृष्णा तो लगे आधे आधे। राधे 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 ओ राधे राधे राधे, तेरे बिना कृष्णा तो लगे आधे आधे। राधे 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 ओ राधे राधे राधे, तेरे बिना कृष्णा तो लगे आधे आधे।
A long time ago in Mathura, there was a king named Kans who was infamous for his greed and unfair rule. After the marriage of his sister Devaki to Vasudev, a prophetic voice from above announced, Kans, your tyranny is going to come to an end. The eighth son, born to Devaki and Vasudev, will kill you. This enraged Kans, and he imprisoned the newlyweds. Kans went on to kill 7 of Devaki's children. When she gave birth to her 8th child, the prophetic voice returned and said, "Take the child across the river Yamuna to Gokul and exchange him with your friends Nand and Yashoda's newly born daughter." Vasudev looked down. To realize his hands had been unchained, he quickly picked up his child and put him in a basket, arriving at the gates to find them open on their own and the guards asleep. As he crossed the stormy river, the basket upon his head, the water never rose above his shoulders. When he struggled, a 10-headed snake appeared to protect the child from the pouring rain. Vasudev by now had realized that his child was a divine being. At Nan's house, Vasati switched the children and returned to the prison. When Kans arrived and tried to harm the child, it took the form of goddess Durga and said, "The 8th child who is going to end your reign of terror has been born and will fulfill his prophecy." The child Krishna was raised by Yashoda and went on to kill Kans. And so, every year we celebrate the birth of Krishna, also known as Janmashtami across India.